Hey guys and everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning in and very much welcome. You for coming. To subscribe, like the video and share it, you guys, to your friends, families, and also the strangers. Please do share, you guys, and don't forget to always put your notification bell on for future videos. You guys, now let's just jump straight into this video because I do have a little problem that I want to talk about when it comes to the sense of Meyiwa Ahmed trial, especially now that we have Moses Sibiya on the witness stand. Okay, this is something that I've observed, but I was like, maybe because me, I do not know. You know, when it comes to judge, lawyers thing, guys, when it comes to law and everything that happens in courtrooms, I'm honestly blank, okay? I do not know how they work, how they must all I know is respect every time. You have to respect someone, like they say, the lawyer is calling the judge my lord, you know, but I just have a slight problem. I thought it was myself, that's why I wasn't talking about it, but today I was like, let me talk about it because I can see there are some people who just have the same thinking as me. I'm like, no, I want to let judge Advocate Mshololo, and I've been right all the time. I have been right. This judge ngati akamthandisisi Advocate Mshololo, and everyone can now see it. Why is it that every time when it comes to Mshololo, like when he addresses Advocate Zandile Mshololo, it's different from when he addresses other lawyers, other advocates, whatever that's happening in the courtroom there. Ngendlela address ngakhona Advocate Mshololo, I feel like he's got that attitude. I guess is it because she's a woman? I do not know, guys, don't get me wrong, but indlela addressing her is different from the way he addresses the other lawyers. Abo Mnisi, abo Judge Baloyi, you know, all these judges. Kukhona Judge Bani manje, the one, is he replacing Ubaloyi, something like that, you guys? It's different about Mgomezu. The way he speaks to them is different from the way he speaks to Advocate Mshololo. Please tell me if I'm wrong. Like I said, whatever happens in the courtroom, some of us, we didn't study law. We did not know I do not know, you guys. I'm not being biased because I'm a woman, but when it comes to Judge Ratha, Judge Ratha, like my sip always say, Ratha Mokgwathleng, I feel like he's got an attitude against Zandile Mshololo. It's either because she is good or because guys, the way he is not good. As long as he has to speak to Mshololo, the tune will be different. Attitude when it comes to it. I'm not saying it is, but I'm just saying the way I'm observing it, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is just my opinion. I can't really want to opinion how. Meaning feeling at untate ratata akamthandisisi judge Advocate Zandile Mshololo. Even today, the way he spoke to her, mangabe bethi I do not know that she objected there and said, I'm going to play the clip anyways. Let me see if I'm going to put it in the beginning or by the end of the video, right? I'm going to insert that clip. The way he even said, right? He even part to the lawyer. So I'm asking, is the judge allowed to the lawyer, to the advocate? And simply because we're now because I can feel, man, it's either as they are busy working, it's either she ilona advocate laphana lomuntu esifazane mangabe sengikhuluma ngale libhenji labo abomloyi abomgomezulu, all these advocates, you know. We've got Zandile Mshololo there as a woman, maybe, or kukhona mhlambe vele amkhuba ngakangakuthandisisi. I do not know, you guys, but there's something wrong when he speaks to Advocate Mshololo. It's different from when he speaks to other advocates. Correct me if I'm wrong, but like I said, this is my opinion. I'm being biased, no, but like I said, it's something that I've been observing. Why in challenge address Mshololo? It's like Mshololo objects and she wants to address something. Already, look at his face. Already, when Mshololo says, my lord, and she wants to point out something, he's already have an attitude umbheke nje ebusweni lo judge ukuthi as long as Zandile Mshololo needs to say something, already he's got an attitude. Uzobona nje, just look at his face most of the time. So I'm asking myself, it's like akamthandisisi man Mshololo. I do not know you guys. Maybe it's me, maybe no, Ntate Ratata, he's got a problem with Zandile Mshololo for sure, you guys, because no, you can't be even clappering to the lady in court, even if it wasn't the lady, even if it was the other lawyer. Like, and the Adv, I've got 50 years of experience sitting in this bench. Like, so, all in your 50 years in that judge, they didn't teach you don't clap to someone, especially in the court. He was very bored. Like when Zandile Mshololo addressed that matter, he was like, you know, listen here, Zandile Mshololo. I've been sitting on this bench for 50 years, but do you ngapha 50 years as a judge? Like, I remember the other day when someone said, you know what, Mhlambe, you should have stayed retirement. What? Because we know he's a retired judge who then came back to solve this situation here. Maybe he should have stayed. You know, I do not know. I'm just saying, you guys. I'm feeling issue gabi, but I'm feeling ngati ikhona into angayithandisisi ngoZandile Mshololo. Please correct me when I'm wrong. Ikhona into angayithandisisi ngoZandile Mshololo. The way, please watch him next time, ne? Watch him. But now let me just bring that clip where it was just him against Zandile Mshololo. I'm just gonna bring the audio of it, right? Just listen to him. He's addressing Zandile Mshololo. But if you get a chance to watch other clips, of which I'm going to upload them, look at his face when he's talking to Mshololo. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's either she's good, she's the good one there, or maybe Angas. Just watch and listen, you guys.
I object on the basis of fairness that the witness cannot be referred to the statement that was made by the arresting officer.
Which statement must he be referred to?
The statement that has just been read into the...
I hear you.
It was made by the
arresting officer.
Not in front of this witness. He has no knowledge of the statement.
No, fine. I never said he has knowledge of whatever. I just said, where is the arresting statement? Mr. Sebande, hello, just stand up. You told this court that there is an arresting statement. Hello?
Yes, because he requested for it.
I'm not involved in wanting somebody to go to jail. Now, after that, Mr. Sibia says, no, if you can show me that arresting statement, if you can show it to me. Then I said, where is it? Apparently he had given it to the lady there. Took time to get it. After he gets it, I say, apparently this is what they say is the arresting statement. And then I read it into the record. That's all I did. And you say it's unfair.
My Lord, with due respect, my Lord, I understand what the Lordship is...
Don't accuse me of being a crook.
No, my Lord, I'm not...
No, just listen to me. You must never. I've been 50 years in the profession. I've never been accused of being a crook.
My Lord, I'm not accusing this.
What are you accusing me of?
But my Lord, I am asking this court to listen to this. The accused, when he said, unless if I can be shown a statement wherein I was arrested on that day. Then my question is, my Lord, the statement that has been presented, my Lord, to the accused, it's not the statement that was made by the accused. It was made by the arresting office.
Nobody said the accused made an arresting statement. He's not a policeman. What are you saying?
That's the court.
Oh, it's long since him, eh? Just wait, Mr. Just sit down. This witness never said he made an arresting statement. Don't misconstrue Izintolap, please. He said he wanted to see the arresting statement. And Sebande, I'm not involved in this nonsense. Sebande is the person who says there is an arresting statement. He wants to see it. They look for it, they can't find it. Ultimately it is found. And I say I want to see that statement because I don't have a copy of it. And there's no exhibit of this. Is that not so, sir? That's it. I I read it to the court, so that everybody can hear what it says. After it is read, I say they must interpret it for Mr. Sibia. It is interpreted for her, and you say, I'm unfair. I'm unfair. So, they are saying that is the arresting statement.
Kuthiwa yiso lesi statement esenzwe ngalesikhathi uboshwe.
You can make your comment if you want to, sir.
Uma ingabe ungathanda ukuphawula ungaphawula ngaso le statement engiqeda ukutolikela sona.
Nkosi enkantolo.
Yeah.
Lesi statement lesi sibhalwe yiphoyisa and sihambisana nalento engisho ukuthi iphoyisa layiletha kimi ngalolu suku lwe 26 October. Akuhambisani nokuchargewa kwami ukufaka kwami iminwe. Inkosi enkantolo ngicela ukuthi ingitholele la engafaka khona iminwe ukuze sizothola le date le engachargewa ngayo eFosforus.
My lord, this statement was made in October and it corroborates what I have said, that this was brought to me on the 26th of October. This is not the statement when I had placed my fingerprints, which I was charged on that particular day. May I please see a document where I had placed my fingerprints where I was charged in Fosforus, my lord?
Okay, Mrs. Zandile, the witness, Mrs. Sibia wants to see a statement where he placed his fingerprints on. You call it an arresting statement. The one
Ile ncwadi bowusho ngayo
present
uthi
you when they were arresting you.
le ebakunike yona ngalesikhathi bekubopha
Or when they were charging you, which is
noma usho ngalesikhathi bekucharge.
Ngisho lesikhathi bengifaka ama fingerprint bethi bayangicharge ngaleli cala lika sen.
Yeah, he wants to see
time.
the documents, sir.
Yes, my lord.
My apologies, my lord. Can Advocate Mshololo refrain from what she's doing? I could hear from where I'm standing shouting, warning, warning. With the greatest respect to
She's
her
shouting what,
and
Mr.
the court.
Mshololo?
Warning, warning.
To who?
Who is the witness? To the witness.
She's warning the witness. Warning, warning.
To answer in that fashion by implication.
Mr. Mshololo, but they say you're being in contempt of the proceedings.
My Lord, I've got witnesses who are just next to me. If they let me.
I'm just telling you, he is saying you are in contempt of the proceedings. You know you don't have to assist your client when he's in the box, telegraphing questions and answers to him or making gestures or signs. At least that was the law I was taught.
And it's wrong, my Lord, to make wrong submissions about counsel when he's sitting in court and he has not done that.
Mr. Zibanda says you just did that. I didn't see you. He says, your colleague, he says you did it.
My Lord, I've said I've got witnesses next to me here. They can testify that I've never done that.
Right, yeah, let's proceed. So the witness says he wants to see the document where he appended his thumbs. My fingerprints. Do you have that document for me?
He's going to check with the defense if that's the road they want to take.
Hello? Mr. Sibanda, what is the problem now?
No, I was just asking if that's the road they want to embark on.
Who?
The defense.
No. This is the witness. Mr. Sibia wants that document. Is that not so, sir?
Kunjalo angithi uyifunayo le ncwadi le.
Yebo le ithupha zami.
That is correct, my lord.
That's-
The one where I
look at
placed
it.
my fingerprints. Ibheke ke. Yebo, interview with suspect.
I don't know if I'm allowed to do it.
23 July 2020 to Emini. Statement regarding interview.
Izinto zabantu bangithatha ngesanti.
Statement is signed. It's the first chorus. Angiboni la ukuthi kubhalwe not what. Not needed. Okay, yes. The matter of Senzo Meyiwa. Yeah, lena ikhuluma ngokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa nge-23 July. And then I need to go for another. He's still looking for a date, my lord.
Oh, I see, okay.
23 July. And the witness says he can see the date of the 23rd of July. He's just not sure if this is the document where he was charged. However, we have just also together read on the statement regarding interview, which is now paragraph number 2, which speaks of the matter of Senzo Meyiwa, which occurred on the 26th of... No, he said I should please read for him what is written. He just wanted to know what is this document for.
It's the first time you see that document.
We are wondering what. Yes, my lord, it's my first time.
Your attorney never showed you that document.
Ummeli wakho abazange bakubonise yona le ncwadi.
Unokubonisa izinto eziningi kakhulu. So le angazi noma isuke ikhona noma isuke ingekho. Izinto ziningi kakhulu la amaphepha lapha kuwe.
There are a lot of documents that they have shown me. Therefore, I am not sure if this is part of the documents that the defense had showed me as well.
But is that the document you say you wanted to see your fingerprints thereon?
Kodwa yiyo le ncwadi
Testifying to the fact that you are being charged. Or you were charged.
Lebe uthe ufuna ukubona ithupha zakho labe kade uchargwa khona.
Akusiyona kwesekatola azikho ithupha zakho.
Fine.
It is not the document as the fingerprints are not there, my lord.
Fine.
Le ine date 23 zika July.
This one shows the
2020.
date of the 23rd of July 2020.
Yeah, okay, fine. It is not the document.
Ukuthi akusiyo lebe uyifuna.
Kwesekatola bengithi bazongibonisana engishaye khona i2. So nayo le angiyazi noma ihambisana nayo na.
My lord, I was thinking that I would be shown a document where my fingerprints were taken. I'm not sure if this document is also part of that particular document that shows the fingerprints that were taken.
No, fine. Then you can return that document.
It's returned, my lord.
Where did you get it from, Mr. Mgobezu?
No, Sergeant Mokgwathleng.
Or Sergeant Mshololo?
Yes. My lord, I will have no further questions for this witness.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mgobezu.
My lord, it's 521.
Okay, you understand, Jen?
Yes, my lord, so that I can...
Uthi umshutshi sekaqedile akasenayo imibuzo angabuza yona. Kusafuneka manje ummeli azokubuza imibuzo kodwa sekuyisikhathi sokuthi siphume siye lunchini sizobuya.
Mr. Mshololo, this is what I'm going to say to you. I've been on the bench for 20 years. I've practiced as an attorney for 30 years. I've never ever been accused of being a crook or dishonest. I was trained by, amongst others, Charles Casson, Mohammed, Bezos. They taught me to be honest in this profession. No, I'm just telling you who I am.
My Lord, I'm also an advocate.
Yeah, fine.
Also
Please don't answer me, please.
I'm also defending the accused.
Yeah,
I
fine.
raise an objection on the basis of fairness. I have a right also to stand up
Fine.
and raise that objection.
Fine, you have.
We all have different experiences.
Yeah, of course.
Thank